Hey, I'm Mark Robert. This is the Wilson community from Libertas. We love all your videos.
Mark Robert, you're the best pranker.
We're also a part of Team Trees and Team Seeds.
Our teacher, Miss Roberts, gives us Team Trees for birthdays or Christmas.
When we're grown, we can have a whole forest growing with us.
But Doper, you are the tallest thing that you've ever seen, and we love you. Wait, what happened?
If I throw this on the ground right now, it really won't jump that high. But if we work together and I put it on this one, it'll jump really high.
The energy transfers through this ball into the tennis ball to make it bounce really high. Are you ready?
That may be high, but it's nothing compared to when you put a basketball on. When you have a basketball, so each one gets its own energy. The basketball's energy goes to this, and its energy paired up is pretty strong. And when it teams up with this energy, it's just insane. As Miss Roberts will show you now. I sure hope this goes right. I'm so nervous.
Y'all might want to back up so it doesn't knock you over.
I'm so nervous right now.
Sally Symphony.
What is...
All right, y'all ready? All right, count me down.
3, 2, 1.
We love all your videos. Thanks.
We love your videos and we love you too, Mark Robert.
We have our own YouTube channel. You should check it out. It's called How Do You Teach That?